The weather in Boone's indicates spring is here, and the spring real estate market is proving as unpredictable as Mother Nature. It's Friday, April 7th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market. Inventory has not swelled to meet the housing needs, but buyer showing activity remains up 1.3% as contracts rose 2.5% compared to the prior week. There are many buyers that are waiting to see what the interest rates are going to do, and others have decided to just jump in. Some loan products remain in the 5% range, and there are predictions that this could remain, and there are other predictions that we may see it rise. So stay tuned. Nonetheless, Charles, Howard, St. Mary's, and Baltimore counties are still steady, with Anne Arundel and Prince George's counties slow. Baltimore City, Montgomery, Harford, and Carroll counties have limited buyer activity. Homes coming soon dropped to 986 homes from last report. 641 homes came to the market, similar to last week. 657 went under contract, up again this week as 1,051 moved to pending. 1,412 sold, dropping to 9 days on the market before contract, while holding steady at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell over this past week was in Trap for $8,500,000. There are 1,754 rentals available for lease, holding at $2,200 per month and leasing in 31 days. What's on your mind about our local market? Message me your questions. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, April 7th, 2023. Thanks for tuning in. Have a happy weekend. Cheers.